Hello everyone, welcome to the Mod Reviewers. Today I'm going to show you how to do a Google Play Store installation on the latest Iqoo 8 Pro Legends BMW edition. So let's begin. Okay, I have set up the phone, so as you can see there are no Google Play Store being installed by default. So let's go into the App Store in Vivo and do some installation. So as usual, I will search for a Play Store and see whether is there any match. Okay, as you can see there are no matches found for Play Store. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to search for Gboard, Google Keyboard. And I will now do an installation on the Gboard and see what happens. Open. Okay, so basically it asks me to install Google Play Store in the background so that I can use the Gboard. So let's install it. Okay, so let's take a look now. Here comes the Google Play Store being installed. So let me try to log in. Okay, so I have logged in, so now the important thing is to go to the setting and look out for Play Store certification. So basically, the Play Store certification is certified. Sorry, Play device is certified, so you will have no problem installing any application or do the contact sync. It will be auto. So before we end this, please kindly give me a like and subscribe to our channel if you love the video. Thank you.